Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, it is that time again where it is 21 days of beauty at Ulta. So I'm going to be sharing with you all of the really good finds that you should be checking out. My name is Hannah. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday, so feel free to stick around and subscribe. Also, if you like this video and if you find it helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. This is a little bit of a different video, first off, because I never really have my hair up like this in a video, but now you can see what my hair looks like. I'd say 4 out of 7 days of the week at least. Like, I feel like my hair is up in a bun very often now, especially because it is so hot here in Florida. Like, everyone's getting all excited about fall, but it's gonna be summer here for like another solid 2 months. So anyway, I'm fine with it, I guess, but that's not why you clicked on this video. You clicked on this video to share and see what should I be getting on the 21 days of beauty. If you are unfamiliar with it, actually, they have like 21 days of hair sales at a different time, and I think they might have a skincare one as well, but this one I'm most excited about because it is specific makeup products, specifically high-end makeup that rarely goes on sale, so you can definitely find some good deals. And also I'll put on the screen the things that I'm talking about. The first item that I have that I'm very excited about and definitely want to check out, I don't have to show to you because I don't have one already, but I do know that it's a really good product. That is the Ofra highlight. It is on sale September 2nd for $14.50 each. Also, the specific days those items are 50% off, which is crazy good. The Ofra highlighters are just really good. I know a friend of mine got in her Ipsy bag. I'll have to double check and see which one she got because I'm pretty sure that's one I'm gonna want to buy. But she got an Ofra highlighter in one of her Ipsy bags and it was beautiful. I've also heard in general really good things about Ofra, so I'm really excited about getting that on September 2nd, that Ofra highlight. Make sure you check that out. A few days later in the week, I believe this is on a Friday. Is September 6th Friday? I think. Cool. Regardless, whatever day of the week September 6th is, on September 6th, the Lancome Mod Sure Big Mascara is on sale. I actually have a mini size to show you because this was my free gift from Ulta for my birthday. I haven't opened it yet because I've just been working on using up another mascara first. I have used, and also this is the mini size just to kind of show you what the bottle looks like, but the full size tube is on sale for $12.50 regularly. $25. Lancome mascaras are by no means inexpensive, I'm aware. So whenever one is included in the 21 Days of Beauty, I'm very excited and I definitely want to pick that up. Also, I feel like I'm talking really fast and I haven't had coffee since like this morning, but here we are. Cool. I guess I'm just like really excited about these sales because I love Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. Definitely highly recommend picking that up whenever it's on sale. I don't have any mascara on today, as you can tell, but I do plan on picking that up and using it in the future. One of the things that I was probably most excited about whenever I saw the 21 Days of Beauty, I literally like studied it like a test or something and circled the things that I wanted to get, mentioned in the video, that kind of thing. I was really excited to see the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Powders on sale for 50% off. It is now going to be $17, regularly $31, and it's on sale September 9th. I'm sorry I'm constantly looking down, but I want to make sure I tell you the right dates and that kind of thing. So on September 9th, this is $17. This is actually like a waterproof setting powder and it's translucent, I believe. In that, like, I know it doesn't look white, but it's like one color, one shade kind of situation, and it is waterproof. I don't find that it's cakey on my skin or anything like that. I do have oily skin, just for point of reference, but I don't find that it's cakey on my skin, and I highly recommend that powder if you haven't tried it out. It's no secret that Urban Decay is my favorite, one of my favorite makeup brands, so I was really excited to see that that was on sale for 50% off. Also, as you can tell, I'm not highlighting everything that's on sale every day by any means. You can check out the website below to see if there's something that you might be interested in that I didn't mention. I will leave it linked in the description box down below. But these are just the things that I recommend that I've personally tried out. The next day, I actually didn't bring this in here to show you, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling a little lazy and I don't feel like going in to show you. to get the tube, but the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Eye Depuffing Gel is 50% off on September 10th. The travel size is $11 and the full size is $21, and that may still seem expensive, but full price, the full size tube is $42, which is crazy expensive. If you're unfamiliar with the product, it is not in place of an eye cream. You need to apply the eye cream underneath and then the gel over top, and it actually works on reducing the dark circles, and also I think it helps if you have puffy under eyes. I believe it helps with that situation as well. Personally, I don't have puffy under eyes. I just have really, really bad dark circles, and I really love that product, so I wanted to mention that to you guys. If you haven't tried it out, I highly recommend it, and definitely recommend picking it up whenever you can get it 50% off, because obviously it's not ideal to pay $42 for that. I'm aware that that's really, really expensive. The next thing in the week, I'm not totally sure if I'm gonna pick one up. I feel like I probably will, because I'm almost out of the travel size of this that I literally got, I feel like 3 birthdays ago from Tarte. Now granted, it did break, but still, I had already hit pan, and I know I'm kind of rambling. So let me tell you what that is. September 13th, the Tarte blushes are on sale for 50% off. They are going to be $14.50, regularly at $29. That's also probably why I haven't bought a full-size one, because I know it'll last a long time, but I just don't prefer to pay $29 for a blush, especially whenever I have sample ones that I have been using. This is just a little sample. I don't think you can buy it exclusively, but this is like a smaller version of what the full size will look like, just for kind of a point of reference. So I probably will pick one up during the sale, because that is a really, really good deal. But just still kind of a little bit to be determined. But once again, September 13th, they are on sale for $14.50. The next thing that I have to mention is actually on the last day that I don't think I'm going to pick this up, because I kind of like my brow combination, but just to kind of mention to you guys, the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow product pencil, yeah, that's the word I'm looking for, is on sale for $12, regularly at $24. I like the brow, I think it's the Brow Wiz, I think the one that's in the spoolie that has different shades. I used shade 3 on my eyebrows for reference today, and a powder underneath. So I'm not sure if I want to get the Precisely My Brow pencil, just because, like I mentioned, I do like the combination, but I do like the other Benefit product that I've been using. I find that it works fine and, you know, great for my brows. So I did want to mention that is going to be 50% off as well on September 21st, just in case you guys were curious. So that's kind of an overview of the things that I'm most excited about on the 21 Days of Beauty. And then also during the 21 Days of Beauty, some items are on sale for the entire duration, and they average maybe like 30 to 40% off. Personally, I didn't find anything that I was super excited about. That's what I was kind of mentioning at the beginning. I didn't find as many products for this 21 Days of Beauty, but honestly, maybe that's better. Maybe it's better, I can save my money. But I'm still really excited about the ones that I did mention, but I didn't find anything worth mentioning really that's on sale for the entire duration. But once again, you can check out the website for yourself. Maybe you'd be interested in something that I was not interested in mentioning. Also, there are the drugstore products. There are specific ones that are buy one get one 50% off, I believe, during that time as well. Definitely worth checking out. But those are just kind of the products that I'm mostly excited about and I'm looking forward to picking up. What are you most excited about? Please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to see that. This is just a short, sweet video, but I just definitely wanted to let you guys know my recommendations for what I'm most looking forward to picking up, as I've already mentioned. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Once again, I upload beauty videos every Monday and Friday. Thanks again for watching.